Describe the relationship between the discriminant b squared minus 4ac and the nature of the solutions of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The relationship is that the product of the discriminant will determine how many solutions there is to the equation, because it's part of the quadratic formula, and the product of it determines how the plus or minus is used, or whether it's even used at all. So if the product of the discriminant is 0, then there'll be one solution. If it's a positive number, then there'll be 2. And if it's a negative number, then there'll be no real solutions but 2 complex. So if the discriminant was 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2, it would go 16 minus 16 and give us 0. So when we plug it back in, we would get negative b plus or minus the square root of 0 over 2a. And since it's 0, it would just cancel out, and you'd be left with negative b over 2a, and you would simplify that and get one solution. Now, if it was 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2, it would go 25 minus 16 to give us 9. So when you plugged it back in, it'd be negative b plus the square root of 9, which is 3, over 2a, and negative b minus 3 over 2a. You'd simplify these, and both of them would be your solutions. Now, if it was 4 squared minus 5 times 2 times 2, it would be 16 minus 20 and negative 4. Now, it can't be a real solution because you can't take the square root of a negative. So you would just leave it in the square root form and do negative b plus the square root of negative 4 over 2a and negative b minus the square root of negative 4 over 2a. And then you'd simplify both of them, and they'd both be your complex answers.